Hi friends, welcome back. Today we're talking about subtraction story problems. We talked yesterday about how subtraction problems will say have left or have now. That lets you know that it's a subtraction problem. Today we're talking about it's a comparing comparing story problem. So the words are going to be different than have left or have now. And we'll talk about that in just a minute. Okay, let's get going. Samantha has 8 cats. Samantha, you are our celebrity today. And by the way, I don't know if you have 8 cats. I just made up the story. So if you don't have 8 cats, just pretend. Okay. Samantha has 8 cats. Miss Painter has 4 cats. I'm in this story today. And I don't have 4 cats. I'm just pretending. Samantha has 8 cats. Miss Painter has 4 cats. How many more cats does Samantha have than Miss Painter? Those are very important words. I'm going to kind of do this backwards than what I normally do, or what I have been doing. How many more? Those are very, very, very important words. How many more tells us that it's going to be a subtraction number sentence, because this is a comparing story problem. Comparing story problems tell us a story that compares 2 things. Okay, so you compare 2 things, you want to find out what the difference is. What the difference is. That will be the answer to a subtraction problem. Okay, now let's go back up to the top and see if we can't figure out other important words, which I bet you can tell me right now. We've done such a good job with this. I bet you could tell me. Samantha has 8 cats. What's the important part in that sentence? 8 cats. I'm going to circle it. And then I'm going to draw it. Draw 8 circles, dots. 3. 7. 8. My marker's running out, friends. Okay. All right, let's go on. Miss Painter has 4 cats. What's the important part in there? Important words there. Good, I heard somebody say it. 4 cats. Now, because we know we want to compare how many more we're comparing, we're going to do the drawing a little bit differently. Okay? I'm going to draw them, the 2 pictures right next to each other. Okay, so I drew the 8 cats there, and then right next to it or right below it, I'm going to draw the 4 cats, the 4 dots. And I'm going to draw it right below so that the cat lines up with the cat. See? Just like that. The next one will go here. How many do I have? 4. 1, 2, 3. One more is 4. It's important that they line up because we want to know how many more. Okay, so they have some that are the same, but then Samantha has more. She has extra. She has more cats than Miss Painter. Okay, so these are the same. We're going to cross them off. There, those are the same. Those are the same. Those are the same. Those are the same. So the difference, how many more does she have? She has this many more. You see that? She has that many more. These are all the same. This is how many she has more. Okay, now for our number sentence. Excuse me. All right. What number do we start with? Samantha has 8. That's the biggest number. It goes first because we're subtracting. 8 minus, how many does Miss Painter have? 4. We want to find the answer. All we're going to do is count how many more. This is how many more cats that Samantha has than Miss Painter. So how many does she have more? 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. She has 4 cats more. Okay, so 8 minus 4 equals 4. And then our label or unit is cats. Good job. We'll do some more like that. We'll review all next week also. Okay? We're going to be doing lots with story problems. And you're getting so good. So proud of you working so hard. Good job.